Hello everyone! In this course, we will spend some time learning about Korean traditional culture together. Korea is a country with a long history and rich culture deeply rooted in traditional values and beautiful arts. Now, let's delve into the beauty of Korean traditional culture in more detail. Do you recognize what I'm wearing? That's right, it's the traditional Korean clothing called Hanbok. Known for its exquisite design and meticulous craftsmanship, Korean traditional clothing, or Hanbok, represents the essence of our history and culture. Shall we embark on this journey together? As we all know now, traditional Korean clothing is called Hanbok. Hanbok, made from luxurious fabrics like silk and rami, showcases a wide array of colors and patterns, resulting in a visually stunning ensemble. It is often worn during special occasions and festivals symbolizing Korean etiquette and tradition. Now let's take a closer look at the difference between men and women's hanbok. For men's hanbok, it includes 바지, 데님, 저고리, 두루마기, and 갓. 바지 are the lower garment of the men's hanbok, which extends from the waist to the ankles, basically like pants. Compared to Western-style pants, they do not fit tightly. The roomy design is aimed at making the clothing ideal for sitting on the floor. 데님 refers to a type of string used to tie the lower ends of the pants of the male traditional Korean clothing. 데님 serves multiple purposes, such as providing additional warmth during the colder seasons, blocking the cold air from entering, and preventing the energy from the body from escaping downwards. It can also be seen as serving the function of preventing the entry of negative energy from the ground. 저고리 is an upper garment of the hanbok, similar to a jacket that covers the arm and upper part of the wearer's body. It is wrapped around and tied in the front, and it can be adorned with various designs and decorations. 두루마기 is the outermost layer of hanbok, worn over 저고리. It is a long coat made of fabric, usually with a collar, and it emphasizes the traditional appearance of hanbok. It is typically worn during winter or special occasions. 갓 is a Korean traditional hat worn by men along with hanbok during the Joseon period. It is made from horsehair and it is partly transparent. Most 갓 are cylindrical in shape with a wide brim on a bamboo frame. Before the late 19th century, only noble class men could wear 갓, which represents their social status and protect their top knots. Okay, shall we move on to the women's hanbok? Women's hanbok encompasses 치마, 저고리, 버선, 고름, 노리개, 족두리, 비녀, and 댕기. Wow, that's almost as twice as much components as the male traditional clothing. Let's go through them one by one. 치마 is the lower garment of the woman's hanbok, which extends from the waist to the ankle in a form of a skirt. It comes in a various design and patterns and is usually made to fit the legs gracefully. 저고리 is the upper garment of the woman's hanbok. It is similar with the men's hanbok, but it is shorter in length. Women's 저고리 may have 끝동, a different colored cuff placed on the ends of the sleeves. In the front of the 저고리, there is a string called 고름, which serves both functional and decorative purposes by fastening the 저고리. 버선 are Korean socks that are worn when wearing hanbok, made of cotton or mineral cloth. They are made to protect your feet, keep them warm, and make them stylish. The type of 버선 can be varied by purpose, shape, and sewing techniques. 노리개 is a traditional Korean accessory used in hanbok, which can be hung on 고름 or a woman's 저고리, or on her 치마. It was handed over to the descendants as a valuable item and was also exchanged for gifts or gifts at special ceremonies. 족두리 is a headpiece worn with women's hanbok. It is typically made of silk and has various designs symbolizing the traditional aspects of hanbok. It is usually worn on the bride in wedding ceremonies. 비녀 is a hair accessory for traditional Korean women's hanbok. It is an ornament primarily used to secure women's hair that is difficult to manage or style, particularly for upstyles. It comes in various design and decorations, emphasizing the traditional atmosphere of the hanbok. Daengi is a ribbon used to tie up and decorate braided hair. It comes in various colors and design according to the purpose, age, and social status, adding a touch of elegance to the overall hanbok attire. The exquisite accessories of 비녀 and daengi have gained popularity as they have been adorned by numerous Korean celebrities, elevating these items to the status of coveted fashion pieces. As we look through hanbok, its intricate details, we can definitely connect with the rich traditions and custom in Korea. You will be able to find places where you can rent hanbok at affordable prices. I hope that you get a chance to wear one when you visit Korea. Bye!